Is it a full moon tonight?
Yes, it is, I believe. No way, a couple days ago it was a full moon.
Oh, it's a waning.
Wow, that is huge. Wow, I've never seen the moon look like that before. I'm gonna stand over here.
Oh yeah, usually when it rises it looks like that.
Wow.
It's because you're looking at it through the concave lens of the atmosphere.
That is really bright.
Should be a good time to do that hole.
The fake moon theory.
We don't have a tripod though.
Wow, that thing is huge.
Yeah, you can see it's waning. That little crescent taken out of the corner.
Wow.
Makes it look like an egg.
What is it?
Giant egg in the sky.
Why is it so bright tonight?
Oh, it's just coming up over the horizon. The atmosphere makes it look larger because you're looking at it through the horizon, so you're looking at it through a concave lens. As it gets higher up in the sky, it'll look more normal moon size.
That's south, right? Or east?
East.
Wow. What?
Honey, look at this.
Look at this one.
Oh, wow. It's huge.
You can kind of see the surface of the moon a little bit.
See the man?
No.
You don't see the two eyes and the nose and the mouth?
No.
Look
But
slightly to the left.
But honey, it looks like there's a structure on the moon. I mean, I can see it sticking out of the top right corner.
I can't believe you can't see the man on the moon.
No, not through the camera.
Well, look at it with your eyes.
Oh yeah. Look through the viewfinder and look at the moon. You can see the right side of it. You can see the craters, and then there's looks like a structure to the upper right corner. Do you see that? Do you know how big that would have to be for me to be able to see that, just zoomed in on it?
I think what you're seeing is the effect of the shade. You gotta remember, the moon actually comes up this way, but this part of it's shadowed out from the Earth.
I don't know. It's interesting looking. Wow, that thing is super bright.
It's got a sun